Are you ready to mint your own garden? You can grow it. Join us as we dig into the dirt of discovery, testing to popular mint growing methods. Will seeds take the lead, or do cuttings quicken the pace? Let's plant the facts and find out which method helps your garden flourish faster. Stay tuned as we mint the myth and crown the quickest grower in today's garden challenge. We planted the seeds and watered the cuttings the same day. About a week later, you can clearly see the cuttings are rooting. The seeds are barely sprouting. It's time to untangle the mint roots. Cut the mint into smaller pieces, leaving at least 2 leaves. Plant you mint cuttings and enjoy! Like and subscribe for more gardening tips. You can grow it. Seed your future today.